Physical computing, connecting computer science to the physical world, can be super engaging for students. Actually interacting with sensors and actuators that you can hold in your hands brings computing to life. If you've used Python with codecs, you're already familiar with the interactions and the sensors that are built in that you can do in the Python-powered codespace environment that really teaches how to do that. But there's so much more to learn and so many more sensors that you could connect in. Maybe you want to control a motor or servos external to the codecs, or maybe you want to sense soil moisture or do some other things that require some external things to connect. Maybe you have some of these lying around, some servos or sensors that you have, but how do they work? How would you connect them? And how would you write code to control them? That's where the Firia Labs Liftoff Kit comes in. This comprehensively curated kit contains 18 essential components, including a diverse array of sensors, actuators, and jumper wires, all organized in a durable case for ease of use and storage. How does a servo really work? And how do you write code to control it? We provide rigorous, detailed explanations and examples in the fun and engaging way that only CodeSpace can. With your kit, you receive a license to Mission Pack Liftoff, which is an exclusive curriculum in CodeSpace that teaches about every peripheral in the kit. Wherever you are in your coding journey, this kit will empower you to get physical with your coding, and it's available now at firialabs.com.